SIR is being done by, already it has been implemented in 13 states, Bihar plus 12. So in 12 states, the SIR is going on now. So if, and it is done by the Election Commission of India, if it is harassing the people of West Bengal, then it must be the harassment for the other people also. So why the other people or the people of the other states, they are not complaining? They are accepting it because already several times SIR have been done.
TMC's spokesperson Kunal Ghosh said that the TMC is always with the people who are trying to commit suicides or suffering due to this SIR.
So TMC is trying to create a narrative to stop the SIR. The thing is that SIR is done by Election Commission of India. If you have any objection, you should proceed to the Election Commission of India and you can go to the court.
What could be the result of SIR if, as you said, that many people will be out?
Our demand is legitimate Indian citizens' name should be included in the SIR. Those are not the Indian citizens, their name should be removed from the list, and special provision, because Bengal is a special state. During the partition, it has been bifurcated into two parts. So special provision should be there for the refugees, because they have applied for the CAA, and CAA application and granting the citizenship may take some more time. So for them, special provision should be there.